This is a sampling without replacement question. An urn contains 10 discs, 6 white and 4 red. Two discs are selected at random without replacement from the urn. Calculate the following probabilities. At least one disc is white and exactly one disc is white. Well, let's consider this. We can sort of set it up as a binary, as a probability tree, first off, but essentially what we're going to get is that we either pick a white one first and then another white one, or a white one and a red one. So what I'm going to do is draw discs here. Oops, let's scratch that. So this is one possible outcome. Another possible outcome is, there's 4 possible outcomes essentially, and the first one is white and the second one is red. The first one is white and the second one is white. The first one is red and the second one is white, and the first one is red and the second one is red. So these are the 4 possible outcomes we can get. And you can sort of demonstrate that by a sort of very simple probability tree. Now, let's just look at the probabilities of each. So in the first instance, there's 10 discs altogether. There's 6 white ones, so 6 by 10. And there's 9 discs left. So we selected the first disc, and now we're going to select the second disc. There are 4 red discs left out of 9. Okay, so the probability of a white one then a red one is 24 over 90. Okay, a white and a white, 6 out of 10. Now, once you've taken out the first one, there's only 5 left out of 9, so it's 5 out of 9, and the probability of that is 30 divided by 90. A red, then a white. Well, there's 4 reds to start with, 4 out of 10. Take one out. You have 6 whites and 3 reds, so probability of picking out a white out of the 9 remaining discs, 6 out of 9. That's also 24 out of 90. 2 reds. Well, in the first instance you have 4 out of 10. Take one out. What's the probability of selecting another one? 3 out of 9. And that is 12 out of 90. Okay. Those are the 4 possible outcomes. So that this is the gives us very good coverage of what we need. Now, the first question is, at least one disc is white. Well, if you look at it there, you can see pretty clearly the probability of at least one disc is white is scenario 1, scenario 2 plus scenario 3. So it's 24. Oops, let's start that again. 24 plus 30 plus 24 over 90, and that gives us a probability of 78 out of 90. I'll just leave it as 78 out of 90. It's just a bit of simple calculator work now to express that as a decimal. Exactly one disc is chosen. Well, there's 2 scenarios here, this scenario and this scenario. So the disjoint events, what's the combined probability? It's 24 plus 24 over 90, and that's equal to 48 over 90. Again, we can leave that as a fraction. You can simplify them down much simpler, but that's just minor calculator work now. Right, okay, we'll leave that there. That's sampling with replacement and without replacement even.